Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we have discussed about the one-dimensional array, how to print the initialized value of 1D array and how to read and print the values of 1D array. Well, in today's video we will discuss on a simple program on one-dimensional array which finds the sum and average of n numbers. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. So this is what our complete program is. So this is the program which finds the sum and average of n numbers. So what is the sum and average of n numbers? So we need to input n numbers, find the sum of all the numbers. Say for example, I am going to input say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are my 5 numbers. I need to find the sum of all these numbers. So it is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So my sum of n numbers is 15. Average, so it is 15 divided by the n numbers, 15 divided by 5, which gives the average of n numbers. So this is what we have to do with this program. So let us see how this program is going to achieve this with arrays, and we also have the loop structure also. So let's get started now. So here you have the array variable a, some variables n to accept the limit of the array, I for loop, and sum to store the sum of the numbers, average to store the average of these n numbers. So as soon as the compiler encounters this array variable declaration, it is going to allocate the memory. Well, here I have given 10. It will store it will allocate the memory up to a of 9. Right? So it is from a of 0 to a of 9. Totally 10 elements I can store, maximum 10 elements. It can be less than that also. To store 10 elements, I require 20 bytes of memory. So a of 0 to a of 9. So up to a of 9 I can store, say 10 elements. Now, so we have some variables. All the memory is going to get for all the variables there. So in my output screen, the first message that what I am going to get, the first message is enter the limit of the array. Enter the limit of array. So I just say I want to enter 5 elements. So that will be stored in n. So I have the memory block n which gets the value 5. Means so I can store 5 elements. Then I say enter the elements, but you can just have still more valid message saying that enter 5 elements if required. Loop starts as usual. We all know how to accept the values. Scanf, it is going to take the values and store in the address of a of I. So I am going to enter say 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. 5 elements I have entered. So each and every elements will go to the respective index values. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So 5 values I have given. You can just give some other values also. The scanf work is done. So we have scanned the values. We are doing one initialization. So we have the variable sum which is getting initialized to 0. So here what happens? 0 will be initialized to the variable sum. And this we are using in the future to do some processing here. So let us see how the processing will start. So let me write the iterations here. So in the iterations, let us understand how this loop is going to compute the sum of n numbers. I equal to 0, then I less than n. 0 less than n means 5. 0 less than 5? Yes. Condition evaluated as true. Then I need to execute this immediate statement. Only this statement gets executed. Only this statement. So it says sum equal to sum. Initial value of sum is 0 plus a of I. A of I means a of 0. So what is a of 0? It is 1. 0 plus 1, it is 1. So my sum value is 1. Then take a loop progress. The next iteration, I becomes 1. Again check the condition. 1 less than 5? Yes, it is true. Execute this immediate statement. I say sum equal to sum plus. In my previous iteration, sum value is 1 plus a of I. I means a of 1. So what is a of 1? It is 2, the element. So it is 1 plus 2, the sum is 3. Then again look back, I gets incremented. So it becomes 2. 2 less than 5? Yes. Compute this immediate statement. So I say sum equal to sum plus previous iteration, it is 3 plus a of I. A of I means 2. A of 2. What is a of 2? It is 3. So it is 1 plus 2. Done. It is 3. Now I am doing 3 plus 3. It is 6. Then again look back. It becomes 3. 3 less than 5? Yes. Then sum equal to sum. Previous iteration sum value is 6 plus a of I. This is what the I value. So a of 3. What is a of 3? It is 4. So 6 plus 4 it is 10. Then again look back. Then I gets incremented. It becomes 4. 4 less than 5? Yes, the condition evaluates as true. Then again compute this immediate statement. I say sum equal to sum plus my previous iteration sum value is 10 plus a of I. I means 4. All these are I values. This is what the I value. 0, 1, all those things are I value. Right. So it is a of 4. A of 4 means how much? It is 5. 10 plus 5. What is the sum value? It is 15. Then again look back. Now the I value gets incremented to 5. 5 less than 5. What happens? The loop gets terminated. When the loop gets terminated, this immediate statement gets skipped. Control to this point now. When I come to this point, I am doing the explicit conversion. Well, we have seen what is this explicit conversion. Please to check out the playlist. You can get the idea of what is explicit conversion. So here what it will do, the sum is of integer type. So my final sum value is 15. That I need to convert to float and then divide by n. So it is 15.0 divided by n. N means how much? It is, n value it is 5. So 15 divided by 5. So that average I am going to compute and store it. I am going to store that in average. So it is like average is of float type. So my answer will be like 3.00. So sum I computed, average also computed. Now let me print that with valid messages. So in my output screen, I am going to get sum equal to %D. What is sum? In the last iteration, what was the value I computed in the sum? It is 15. So sum changed to 15. So I am going to get 15. Then new line, sum value I just printed. Then average, I say average equal to, print the value of average. It is, so I get one more memory block, average. The value will be 3.00. So this is how this sum and average can be computed using arrays and using loop structure. So hope you have understood with this. Let us see the actual execution. So we have seen the dry run of the program. Now let us see the actual execution of the program. So here we have a complete program which is going to find the sum and average of n numbers. So let me save this program. Yes, Alt F9 to compile, Control F9 to execute. Enter the limits. I'll say 5 numbers I'm going to input. So enter 5 elements. So I'll just say 1, 2, 3. You can give some other numbers also. Sum of these numbers, it is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. It is 15. And average is 3.00. So hope you have understood with this program. So in the next video, we will see some more programs on arrays, one-dimensional arrays itself, so that we will know how to use the one-dimensional array completely. So in the next video, till then, take care. Bye-bye.